Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful retro stripe on your wall. Let's start by going to the paint store. So here are the two colors that we have chosen so far that we are feeling very much. The pink one is called Noble Blush and the blue one is called Ice Cave. And this is to create kind of like an interesting wave on one of the walls in the bedroom. Next up, I think we're gonna pick between, I don't know, I'm feeling like in this area of oranges, like maybe a nice copper brown color to go in between. But we shall see. So here is our third color. It is called Perfect Penny. It's like a coppery brown. And the last choice we need to make is a, well, what used to be my favorite color, 68A BB8. But it's like kind of a blue-green color, if you will. Blue-green-gray, depending on its mood. So it's probably somewhere in this little mix right here. We are painting this wall. We are putting a gigantic retro stripe across this wall and then painting our back wall a beautiful soft pink. Yeah, so the first step is to paint this cute little corkboard. Corkboard? What do you call this? Pegboard? Pegboard. Pegboard, the same color as this wall, which we found this in the basement, so we're gonna do that real quick. And you guys are just gonna watch me speed through that right now. Right now. Hey, our pegboard we thought was the same weight as the wall, and it's not. So we're gonna try another coat of hopefully a whiter paint and maybe one that actually matches the wall. I hope. Look, we got the new coat of paint on and it looks much better onto the painting. Hey guys, so we have drawn our wave on the wall. There are gonna be 4 more of these, or no, 3 more of these. And this is what it looks like right now. And we have it going into that corner and all the way up to the ceiling. And the man's is taping down the floor because he's 100% sure I'll get paint everywhere if he doesn't. So.
You already did.
Hey, leave me out of this. Really close to this thing. Okay, this is the beautiful color we're about to put on the walls. You can see it, there it is, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, we're about to break ground and I accidentally got it on my nail. So, well, we've already started making a mess. Who's excited? I am. Okay. We're doing it. The first tiny bit of glue has gone on the wall. So as you guys can see here, I am using a large thick painter's brush that I found at Home Depot. I thought this was going to be a good idea at first, but then I ended up going on and using a smaller paintbrush that you might get from a paint kit from Michael's or from Walmart. And I found that was much better for the detail work that I wanted to do around the edges. And I actually ended up painting the rest of the wall using that technique. Another detail I wanted to address is that I went ahead and I sketched on the wall using pencil. So as you can see here in this video, I actually changed up how I wanted my waves to look. And I did this very organically. I didn't want to be too perfect about it or get too crazy about it because I knew that it would come out really nicely. So just trust yourselves if you're doing this, guys. So So after I was done with the stripes, I came back in and I used a little bit of white paint to touch up the edges. But otherwise, this is what it looks like, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you come back to my channel. Love you, and I'll see you later.